There is a force inside you right now that you've barely touched. A raw, limitless power that ancient monks spent their entire lives cultivating. They knew something that most people in the modern world have forgotten. Energy is everything. Energy is life. And when you learn to control your energy, you learn to control your destiny. Think about it. Every action you take, every thought you repeat, every belief you carry, all of it is powered by your energy. If your energy is scattered, weak, and wasted, your life will reflect that. But if your energy is strong, focused, and aligned, then your life becomes unstoppable. This is not about luck. This is about mastery. The monks of the ancient world spent hours each day in meditation. To outsiders, it might look like they were sitting around doing nothing, but they were training their focus, training their breath, training their minds to bend reality in their favor. While the average person was chasing distractions, the monk was building an inner fortress of strength that nothing could shake. This is why we look at them with awe. They radiate something we can't quite describe: calmness, certainty, presence. That presence is energy. And the truth is, you can have it too. You don't need to shave your head or move into a temple. You just need to adopt their methods and apply them to your own life. One of the greatest keys to this path is discipline over your own life force. This is where NoFap enters. When you release constantly, when you spend hours on shallow pleasures, you are draining the very energy that could be used to transform you. You are giving away the fuel your body created for your growth, for your strength, for your focus. But when you choose to conserve that energy, when you practice self-control, something changes inside you. Your posture shifts. Your voice becomes deeper and more commanding. Your mind becomes sharper. You feel more alive. And others feel it too. Women sense it. People around you notice it. They don't know what it is, but they are drawn to it. Because real energy is magnetic. The ancients always taught that this energy, if guarded and cultivated, can be turned into higher forms of power. Into confidence, into discipline, into spiritual clarity. Science today confirms what they knew centuries ago. Your habits shape your brain shapes your perception, and your perception shapes your reality. That leads to manifestation. And manifestation is not some mystical spell, it is the science of focus. What you consistently imagine, what you emotionally connect to, what you repeat with conviction, your subconscious begins to accept as truth. And your subconscious is what runs the show. If you walk around repeating old wounds, doubts, and fears, your subconscious will create more of them. But if you clear away those limiting beliefs and replace them with new ones, I am powerful, I am abundant, I am the creator of my reality, then your subconscious will shift your actions, your focus, and your opportunities to align with that belief. Remember this: as a child, you did not fear. You did not doubt yourself. You reached, you tried, you believed. Only later, through trauma, rejection, and conditioning, were doubts planted in you. Manifestation is about returning to that original state of possibility and writing your own code. Now combine this with meditation. Monks sit for hours because silence is where energy builds. Silence is where clarity rises. Silence is where the noise of the world is stripped away and only truth remains. When you sit still, focus on your breath, and quiet your mind, you begin to notice a new current flowing through you. This is energy. This is life force. This is power. With that power, you begin to create wealth. Not just money, but wealth in every sense. Wealth of focus, wealth of health, wealth of freedom. Money follows energy. People pay for value, and value comes from focused creation. When your energy is disciplined and your mind is aligned, you stop chasing and start attracting. Wealth is the byproduct of energy under control. A weak man wastes his energy and wonders why life never changes. A strong man directs his energy, builds, and manifests wealth in whatever form he chooses. So here's how you begin. Each morning, start your day with stillness. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and feel your lungs filling with power. Hold that breath, Release it slowly, and repeat until your body feels calm and steady. Then visualize the life you are creating. See yourself walking with strength. See yourself living in abundance. See yourself free from distraction, alive with purpose. Now speak it, out loud. Repeat words that lock it into your subconscious. Say, I am power. I am focus. I am abundance. My energy creates my reality. Speak it until you feel it. Speak it until there is no doubt. Then sit in silence. Let it sink in. Rise from that silence ready to act. Stack this with your discipline. Guard your energy. Stop wasting it. Direct it into building yourself. Direct it into your goals. Direct it into mastery. Do this for days, then weeks, then months, and your life will not look the same. The monks discovered long ago that the body and mind are temples of power. The world today tries to convince you that you are weak, that you need constant stimulation, that you should give in to every impulse. That is a trap. Reject it. You are not weak. You are not meant to live drained and distracted. You are meant to live strong, focused, and abundant. Every day, you are either training your energy or wasting it. Every thought, every action, every choice is a direction. Choose power. Choose discipline. Choose to live like the ancient masters who discovered the truth. When you control yourself, you control your world. This is the path. Energy becomes power. Power becomes wealth. Wealth becomes freedom, and it all begins inside you.